and gals, welcome to my channel, Killer Warfare, and today I'm back once again with another FNAF tutorial. Now it's been a while, I know, I've just been very demotivated to do this series. It's not really been one of my favourite, but I mean, I've now changed my mind after the massive comments of people constantly saying please bring out the next episode, i.e. bringing out the next episode and stuff. So I think I'm probably going to get back into doing this series, and I'm going to do it every Friday along with my new timetable where I do videos and stuff, so I think that would be pretty cool. Also, one thing before this video, I want you guys to go check out the rest of my videos on my channel, because either I think it's probably because I don't mention them in my videos, nobody really knows they're there. No, I'm not sure. I don't know how anything works. I don't know. But obviously, if you like horror games, Robocraft, Minecraft, just go check it out. I am planning on playing the new Five Nights at Freddy's spin-off game which is coming out, which is Sister Location. Obviously it's coming out in fall, he said. If he changes his mind about that, there's a chance I may be screwed because I might not have the money to get it, though I believe I do, because yeah. Anyway, as you should know, this episode, which I think is, yeah, it's episode 4B, and we are going to be doing the, what's it called? I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, the camera selection, displaying the camera, and also allowing, making it so the movement changes with the camera. So, I have a few more images and stuff that we are going to put in first, because I forgot to completely do that last episode, but that's mainly because I ran out of time. There's something on my foot. Oh god. Alright, anyway. Where is it? It's... Yep, we're on the right layer. Why can I not see it? Oh, it's up there, I think. Was it? I haven't been on this for ages, so I can't remember. Oh, it's not that. What are you then? Huh? I don't even know what this is. Where is it then? Ah, there you are. Right, okay, so in here we have obviously all the stage, dining area, Pirate's Cove, Pirate's Room, the rest room, which I called bathroom for some reason because I'm British, what do you expect? That is the left corridor, storage cupboard, left corridor, right corridor, kitchen, which is just the black mass, and right corridor once again. So what we need to do is we need to go over here, and we are going to create a insert new object, and oh god, that's off the screen. This is going to be not an active object but a backdrop, because we don't need to select what this is. My chair just creaked. We don't need to select what this is, because pretty much a backdrop is just a picture you can't mess with, you can't do anything with it. So just click OK with that, and there we go, we got the backdrop right here. Now double click to open it, and you can go up to this file up here to import, and it is not in there. Find out where your images are for your camera objects and stuff, and it should be, it's in YouTube, FNAF tutorials, other, camera, and it is the map. So I'll be uploading this. I don't even have black here, so I don't know what it's on about, but okay, there we go. It's completely see-through. And here we have it right here. I accidentally moved the wrong image. So you gotta remember, when moving the map, select on the lines that are not invisible. There we go. Right, so we've got that right there. And yes, okay. Now let's just hide that. Actually no, hide that. There we go. So now we don't have the yellow in the way. Insert object, and this time we're going active object. Now I'm just going to find an image of the map. Oh wow, no. One map. There we go. I'm hoping it. God, there's loads of random stuff there. Yes, I'm using Bing. Before you say, what the hell are all these images? Ah, there we go. That's the one we want. No, we don't want anything else. So that is how the camera layout for FNAF 1 is supposed to look like. So that is actually pretty simple to do. So we just go active object and click up here for our first camera. Double click it, and this one we're going to go import. And it is, the one we need is unselected camera, and we just click that and click OK. Then we go to the direction up here, and then we click import, and we go to the selected camera right here, click OK. So we now have two directions. Okay, click OK, and then we can go ahead, bring this down slightly. Let's just push it up across. There we go. Then we've got that. Then we're just gonna right click this, clone object. So not Control C, just click clone object, because Control C duplicates it instead of clones it, which means it uses the same object, which we don't want it to do. So this, we go ahead and just click OK. It doesn't matter where it goes. Right. And then we push this up closer to the wall. Was that right? It's off to the side a bit. Yes, I am making it realistic, but and it shouldn't matter, but who cares? So next we got this camera here, which is Pirates Cove. So once again, we right click, clone object, OK, and I cloned this one this time. So Pirates Cove is like right here, I believe. Yep, it's slightly overlapping. There we go, that's how it should go. Actually, is it? It also needs to be... Why is it moved back? Who told you to move back? Right. There we go. Right, so that's like that. Now I know there's no numbers and stuff on it, but that's what it's expected to happen because we're going to do something else after that. Right, so what else? Let's do camera 5 and camera 7 next. So we're just going to duplicate Pirate Cove, not duplicate, clone. There we go. And where does this go? It goes at the bottom because the camera is down here. Push it along and push it up. There we go. Right, and then we go ahead and do clone object. OK, and drag that up here. There we go. Right, and then we need to check the rest. So camera 6. Let's do the hallways. They're pretty simple. Right click, clone object. OK. Right, you go right there. Slightly above. There we go. Alright, then we can go clone object. OK. And that's perfect. That's exactly where it goes anyway. Clone object. OK. And that is over here. Alright, we want to budge it over. There we go. Clone object. OK. There we go. Right, that's done, and then we can go ahead and do the final two cameras, which are here and here. Now obviously your cameras go wherever you laid out the map. I noticed I've gone slightly off the camera a bit, that's not good. Right, so... Oh, my back. Right, clone object, okay. Right, and then, obviously what I'm doing here is just copying the FNAF layout. I suggest you don't do this if you're creating your own one. But if you're creating like one of those things where it's like, what is it? I can't remember what those types of ones are called. They're not copies, because if they're copies, it would literally be the exact same game like I'm doing right here. But it's like where you have like different characters in the same. I don't know. But you can have the map this way if you want it to in your own one, but you can design the map yourself as well. It's not that hard, you just have to do a couple of squares in the layout of how the building is. But yeah, I would show you how to create the actual map parts of it, but I'm not, I can't do that sort of thing because my computer won't allow me, and especially won't allow me to do it while recording, because it's really laggy even when I'm not recording. So I will, obviously, if you want to create your own like buildings, so like the rooms and everything, I'll put a link down below to the Spark. I can't remember what his name is now. I used to watch him. It's where I learned some of the stuff I had, but obviously I've done 10 times more things than he has with his stuff, and I did it all before him. And obviously, like, I tested so many things like with this thing. Every single part of the code I did is pretty much my own stuff, so I haven't learned tutorials from anyone else. The only tutorial I am going to learn though is actually from someone who did follow these tutorials, but now has become now has done is doing modeling and stuff like that for the FNAF characters. And I actually had him on Skype to help him out with a massive problem he had with his game, and his was kind of Minecraft inspired, which I think is pretty cool. Minecraft's an okay game at points. I mean, I don't. The only part of it I like at the moment is survival, mainly because I actually feel like I've accomplished something like this. Right. Anyway. That's enough talk about that, but pretty much if you want to model the stuff, I'll put a link down below to a tutorial on how to do it by the Spark person that I completely forgot the name of. Alright, what was I doing now? Oh god, oh yeah, right, so we've got all of these in, so all those cameras. Now I'm just going to take this up and bring it to the side. There we go, and I can look at where all the numbers are, and I can tell which cameras are which. So I think, which one are you? Right, you're okay. So we're just going to rename these cameras. So we're going to call this 1C, and this one is Right, anyway guys, hold on a minute. Right guys, so I'm back. Just went to the shop to get some lunch for me and my mum. Anyway, so I forgot to explain what I was doing up here. Now you can see this says 1C here. What I was doing is I was renaming all of these grey boxes to the correct camera location, so when we program in the camera switching mechanism, it actually allows, we are actually going to be able to see what camera is what. So, yeah. Right, alright, what was it? Right, so what we have to do this, to rename it, so just select one. So this is cam 5, as it says on the other screen. Right click, click rename, and just call it 5. And then click 12. 12 is cam 7. There we go. 13 is cam 2A, so you rename that to 2A. Cam 14 is cam 4A, and then this one is cam 2B. I'm not putting cam before them because it's kind of a bit weird if I do that. 16 is cam 6. 17 is cam 4B. Okay, how ironic, that is the episode we are on today. And then we've got 18, which is cam 3. So it's there now. Then we got 6, which is cam 1A. And then we've got active 7, which, if you could see the blue outline around it, is what one I'm selecting. This one is 1B. There you go. So we've got 1A, which is here, 1B, which is here, 1C, which is here, 2A, which is here, 2B, which is here, 3, which is here, 4A, which is here, 4B, here, 5 is here, 6 is here, and 7 is here. So that's pretty much where all the cameras go. Now we do the next part, which is actually putting in the numbers. Oh god, there's stuff all over my hand. Let's put the numbers in that are to do with the objects. So we want a backdrop object, as it will lag the game less. And we're going to go ahead and... Are you in the background? Yes, it's in the background. Oops. Can I bring you to front? Nope. Okay, so what we're going to have to do then is create a new layer above this, and that is layer 6 up here. So we drag this down to layer 4, and that will push all of these two up, so we can see this, because look, we've got that. And then we've got the time. No, I didn't. What is this? Oh, it's because I've selected it. Yeah, so that's the time. That could go invisible again. So we're gonna do Control Z, Control. Oh wait. What did I do? Right, okay, Control Z that. I believe I may have. That this doesn't do anything, so we've got to move this back down here. So I accidentally deleted the backdrop. No, I didn't accidentally delete it. I accidentally undid, so this was back at the top. So I just put it down again. So we go back to Insert Object, put a backdrop in, and we put this here. And because this is on the new layer that is above the map, you'll actually be able to see it in front, which is a really cool thing to do, but it just means there is less lag because active objects can cause lag. Now the first one we're going to want is, let me just look at the names. That's dining area, that's backstage, even though it's not backstage, it's parts room. Where are you? Ah, stage. Okay, click OK. You won't be able to see it, but there we go. It's right there. There we go. That is exactly the exact same place where it is on the regular Five Nights at Freddy's stuff. Wow, I am a genius. Alright, we're just going to keep inserting backdrops, and we're going to put them on the camera. Okay, double click it to open. Import, and this is the next camera, which is dining area, so that's 1B. Click OK. OK. There we go. So we're going to push that up and push it across so it's on the edge, like in Five Nights at Freddy's. We're just going to keep inserting these backdrops. Right, so this one would be open, and it is. Where are you? Pirates Cove. Ah, I just punched myself in the mouth. Alright, there's Pirate's Cove. Alright, let's yep, that worked. There we go, put that right there. Bring it down a bit because it's too high. There you go. Alright, there you go. Now, then I think, considering I've done all these cameras and you guys are going to know, all the camera things are in the same place, they're named after what they are. So you can probably kind of guess. Actually, no. Oh, yeah, because I'm getting close to the end of the video and I wanted to actually do some camera changing. So I'll be back once I've got everything in. Right guys, so I'm back. I may have messed up a few of the names in when I got these pictures ready. It was quite a while ago I did it, and I think I may have not looked at the image and where everything goes. I'm probably going to have to change that after this, but at the moment it doesn't matter. Because changing the name of files, image files, doesn't change the picture here, because it saves it to the game itself. Which is kind of strange, but God, there's stuff in my teeth. This is why you don't eat crisps. They get stuck in your teeth. It's not nice. What was I doing now? Oh yeah. Right, so now we can get into the camera selection. So we need to go to Event Editor. Actually, oh god, my throat. Right, anyway, actually first we're going to have to do this show function, because then we can show the camera, and it should technically show what the, just whatever camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, oh, it opened over here. Why is it all the way over here? What's over there? I haven't got a third screen. Right. So what we need to do is, where is it? Oh, I've just realised. So we're gonna have to go back to here because I've done something massively wrong, and this is kind of annoying. But where's the map? Where's the map on here? I can't see it anywhere. Have I lost it? Wait, is that it? Ah, yeah, there it is. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do is right click it. Properties, I believe. I don't know. Actually, let's right click over here. There we go. I think if you click create active object, it creates a copy of it. Yes, that's what I wanted. Okay. Right. So what we need to do is we need to hide this, and we're just gonna do this. No. There we go. Right. So now, if we click no, it's not control. Is it shift? Yes, okay, if you hold shift and click on all of the grey ones, so these grey boxes, that will deselect them because we don't need them. Because they are already active objects and we can already code with them. So what we need to do here is right click. Oh, that happened. Control Z. No? No? Okay. Right, it might be easier if I just do it over here. So we've got this down to here. No. Why won't it? Why does it have to make me manually select them over here? It's annoying. Did I ask for you to do that? Right, now I have to select it again. Great. Oh, for God's sake. It keeps doing it. It keeps copying it. I don't want it to copy. Right. There we go. 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 Right click. And then we go to create. Damn it, I have to create it all one by one. Great. Why does this have to be a thing? Why can't they just make this better? It'd be so much easier if you could just create a selection of them as the exact same thing. Right, oh god. What are you? Active. Okay, so we can delete this. No, that's home. We can delete this, and then we can go to our active object and bring it here. And it's in front of everything because I put it on the wrong layer. There we go. I believe it's this layer I have to do it. Create active object. Right, and then we select the visible area, drag it over here, delete the original backdrop version and put this back. And then for some reason that is still above them all. Order. Okay, so you right click, go to order and to back, and that sends it to the back. There we go. Now we've got to go up here and oh god. Alright, let's no, because then I can't see. And let's try and right click all of these and do them all one by one. So you just got to do the same thing that you did with this backdrop, and I'm just going to pause the video, complete all this because it's my annoying mess up that I did, but I'm going to complete all that and then we're going to hopefully get into coding. Okay? Right guys, so I'm back, and I have done all of these and they are now all active objects. I have a feeling my screen is further tilted than it used to be before. Anyway, it's fine. So what we can do now is we can go back to the code. Also, actually, before I say this, you can see down here I've renamed them all to cam 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 3, 4A, 4B, 5, 6, 7, and also the map is called map now. So that's all been renamed, which is what you want to do if you want to keep yourself organized. Now, you don't have to rename every single object to something. Like, I haven't renamed these here. These stuff are all the same. Actually, I think I might rename this one to cam. Cam. There we go. So we've got this as cam now. The rest of these we don't need to touch because they don't really do anything. Well, actually, no, they do, but I don't really care about them. They're not that important, I think. What are you? The white one is. The white one doesn't have anything to do with anything. Actually, no, it might be to do with the clock. Yeah, it is. It's the clock thing. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it is not that important, but Jesus, that is a. Yeah, we have a lot more variables and stuff now. There's also the map somewhere here. Yeah, it's right there. So we're going to do the show thing now. Because we don't have the camera button yet, because I'm not doing that until we get to the animation of it, which will be next episode maybe. I'm not sure. But this episode's going to be one of the longer ones, because, yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do to set up before we then actually get into selection, the camera's custom movement, and also the animation. There's a chance there might end up being 4D, I'm not sure. But anyway, so we need to find. What am I doing? Oh yeah, right, so the show thing, what we want is the keyboard here. So we click that, the keyboard. Upon pressing a key, we want it to be the key, let's go with C. So upon pressing C, what we want it to do is we need to go back here. No, actually, no we don't, no we don't, no we don't. I clicked on the wrong thing as well. Where is the... I think I could probably use this. Alright, okay, so we want alternate variables, add to So add 1 to what variables did I use for the clock? Come on, open. Variable A, so I can use variable B, I believe, and that can be for our camera. So we go back to the white Active2 thing. I think we'll rename that to main game controller. So we've got we go to, I've lost it now. It's not count. Alternable values. There we go. Not some weird random gobbledygook that came out my mouth. So we go +1 and go to alternable value B. It doesn't matter if it has a name or not. We do not care about that. So that will add 1. Now what we want to do is right click here, and then we go to our game controller, which is called Active2 still. I will rename that in this video, hopefully. Then we go to alternable variables, compared to one of the alternable variables. So if, where are you? We want it to stay equal, and we want this top one up here to be the B one. Alternable variable B, and we want that to stay as 0. Then we're just going to drag this down to new condition. So we have another one, drag it down again, and we have another one. So double click on the middle one and change this one to 1. Double click on this one and change this one to greater than 1. Okay, that's what we want to do. Now what we want this to do is, if we'll just do cam this 1A thing, so we'll go movement, position, direction. It's not direction, it is visibility. Okay, make object invisible, and then we're just going to drag this across all the grey box until we get here where the map is, and this one we do need make invisible. But then we also need make invisible for 1B. All of the little camera icons, so you can tell which is which. If you're wondering why I'm holding my neck, it's because it hurts, even though you can't even see it, so never mind. I'm like, oh, there we go. Alright, that's much better. Alright, so all that's make invisible, and I'm pretty sure I just exploded your ears with that. That was my foot moving. Then we want to go to visibility on the second row where it's equal to 1 and make reappear. So right here, and we're just going to keep dragging that along until we get to the last of the ticks. So you just gotta, oh, I accidentally didn't, there you go. You just gotta hold click on the tick and drag it across, and it will just constantly keep doing this. Also, if you wanted to make the reappear thing appear, you right click on the box and then you go to visibility, and you've got make object invisible and reappear, which is up here. Right, so then we want to go to alternable value B, which is greater than 1, and we go here to the game controller and we go not visibility, alternable values, and we're going to go set to 0, and this is for B, not A. There we go. You can name these if you wish. I think I'll show you how to create custom names for them. So if we go up to, where are you? Where is it? Oh, I think I made it invisible. It's up here. Right. Double click. No, wait, no, that's not what you do. Right, so you right click. No, it's not right click. Right, click on it, and in this window here, you go to this one here with the A to Z, and then you just click new, give it a name, just do that, and then you click OK, and that's your custom variable. And if we go back to the coding thing, just right click anywhere so I can show you, and we go to optimal values and we just click set. You can see we've got value random gibberish, and that's not what we want, but that's what it is. Let's just rename you to time clock. Okay, and then we're going to create a new one which is B. I'm going to rename this to show cam. There we go. So we got those two things, and obviously it changes this to show cam because we replaced B with show cam, because that's how it works. And then we also want to go up here, back into here, and we're just going to right click on this, rename, and we're just going to rename it to game controller. There we go. I'm terrible at spelling. Alright, there we go. So we have the game controller right here, and I believe that's all we can do for this episode, but I can show you, actually, up here we need to do something so the camera is actually visible. So let's go across. So this is the camera, and then underneath the camera in our first thing, which is always, no it's not on always. Apparently I didn't put it in, oh wait, no, I think I should put it right here in the show. So right click, oh my nose, it's not good. Insert a new event, and we go to storyboard controls, start of frame, and then go to cam right here, click, right click, and then go to, where are you, direction, no, animation, change, animation sequence, and it's over here once again. I'm just gonna make this bigger, and we want to go to cam stage. There we go. So automatically when the game starts, cam stage will be the thing that shows, but this will be equal to 0, so it won't be visible, so you won't be able to see it. So if we start up the game by clicking this right here that the circle is around, and then I have a drink while it loads. That was a thumbs up. It just didn't get him to frame properly. Here we go. Dr. Pepper, my favourite drink. I have for some reason got a craving for Dr. Pepper and will not stop drinking it. Oh, here we are. Right, so if we press C, it does not work. That's because I'm not on the game. There we go. C. It show what the hell is going on here. Wait a minute. Oh. What did I do? Oh. Don't do that. Right, I accidentally... Right, let's close the game a minute because I was an idiot. I completely forgot to show this. So this one, we need to go right click. Oh wait, no, we just make invisible on 0, reappear on that. I need to check something a minute. Where are you? Where's the camera? Right, let's double click that. Oh wait, no, don't do that. Oh wait, no, yes, do that. I was a fail. I'm clever. Stage. So it should defaultly start in that direction, which we want, which is good. Go back to code. Wait, no we don't. Right, we need to go in here because I accidentally forgot to do something. So you may have noticed none of these things here followed. So we're just going to hide these two right here, highlight over the top, and we want to go we want to go over into this. No. Where is it? No, not movement. Runtime. Right, we do not want it to follow the frame, so just unclick that. And then if we click play now, it should hopefully work. And it's been 40 minutes this episode. Wow, I didn't expect that to happen. I was hoping it would have been a lot shorter, but things happen. Oh god, I'm so tired. Oh, and it's not even late at night. Anyway, right, click on the game. Press C. I've just figured a problem here. And also, I've done something stupid as well. Alright, what? That is on the same layer as all of this. Wait, actually. Right, all of it's layer 4. Right, then we want to go through, right click, preferences, no, Control Z. Alright, let's not do that then. Select all. Wait, what am I doing? Oh wait, no, I've got a better idea. Right, new layer. Right, so let's bring this up above everything else, and layer 3 up above everything else, and then on layer 6, on layer 5, we need to bring that down to where layer 3 is, and it is right here now as layer 3. Click on layer 6, which is where the map is, and we want to click on the cam object and put it on layer 3. There we go. So now we won't have a ripple effect on this. But then, because I was a Dumbo, I completely forgot that this happens. We need to move this across. Damn it, I have to put everything back. See kids, this is why you don't be me. You don't want to fail like I do all the time. The only part of this I'm actually good at is doing the coding side of things. I mess up every other thing. Right, come on, up quickly. I'm spamming the up arrow key. There we go. Go back. Right. Down, across. If you're wondering how I'm moving them like this so they're perfect, I'm using the arrow keys. I probably should have said that at one point, but I think you may have guessed because I'm pretty sure you do have some common sense. Not every one of you, actually I'm pretty sure none of you have no common sense, because common sense is like natural. Unless you're my sister, then you have no common sense, but still. Right. There we go. Alright, this goes up. Come on. I would have expected that I could have done more in this video, but not really. I didn't really get much done. Well, I did, but I didn't do as much as I thought I would. But this is what happens when you're me. You mess things up and everything is a problem. Right. 1A is back in its spot. I need to click on this box and there we go. Right, so you do shift to select multiple things. Right, this can move across. There we go. Pirate's Cove is not in the correct place either. I don't know if you can hear me spamming my arrow key, but I am. Oh god, that's too far. There we go. Right, and then we click this. Shift on the nope, okay. Damn it. There we go. No, do not move. There we go. It's not that hard. Jesus. Alright, let's go down. There we go. You are so annoying right now, game. Whatever you are, why did I tell you to snap to the grid? I mean, I told you to snap to the grid so moving certain objects would be easier, but oh for God's sake, don't do that. But moving objects like these is so annoying. It's like constantly moving. I don't want it to. Right, There we go. The kitchen is fine. We just need to move this. And we also need to sort out these two. So actually this is up there. For God's sake. There we go. Right, this goes down. There we go, that's the correct place. And this goes up. There we go. Perfect. Everything's back. Right. So we got all of those like that. Then we've got cam here on this layer, and level 7 has these guys on it, the letter, the numbers and cam. Yeah. So that's what's on there, and then we're just going to click play. I haven't pressed save yet, so if something bad happens, everything I've done so far could be lost. I'm hoping it doesn't. It's nearly done. There we go. Right, full screen. Why did I go full screen? It doesn't change the size. Right, press C. Why does it not show up the correct animation? Let me try and look at this. What have I done wrong in the code? I told you at the start of frame to change the cam animation sequence stage. So you should change to that. Also let's go direction, select direction. Okay. Maybe it's that was the problem? I don't know. I don't even know if the camera closes. I haven't tested that bit yet. And also, before you ask, why not just put the thing, it still doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Have I done something? Right here. Right. Actually, it may be the chance that it's because it's got to be like over here. I just saved it. I'll just save the program a minute because I really don't want to mess something up and break everything. If this ends up running into an hour, guys, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean the episode to be this long, but I'm trying to troubleshoot where you're supposed to put the camera and everything, because I think that would be a really good idea if I actually do that. And now it's not responding when I save the game. Great. Oh, there we go. It's done. Right, okay. Play. Let's see if this works now. Because if it does, then we know it was just because it was in the wrong place, and I might have to do something. But I do not know. Now it's going to take ages to load the program. Oh, there we are. See. I can see you there, and you have not changed. Let me try run application then. Did I not make this work? What? I swear I made this go. Wait a minute. What did I do wrong here? Yeah, okay, so then we go here. Ah, that's why. Right, okay, what are you? What button are you? Button 6. Alright, okay, this is button new game. Alright, jump to frame. Okay, there we go. Right, now it should work if we run that application. I'm hoping it's just because we didn't run the thing, but I'm not sure. Alright, okay. Right, it's taking us somewhere. Come on. Come on. And now it's not responding. Pretty terrible game, isn't it? Doesn't work. Won't respond when I want it to. I think I may have done something wrong. Oh, there we go. Right. C. Still only shows that. It does not change the animation whatsoever. What is your problem, mate? Change animation to cam stage. Change direction to that way. Does neither. Wants the punching face. Edit? No. Replace. Historical controls. Frame position. Start a frame. It should do that. Insert. Let's try and put it at the top and see what happens then. Because I don't think it not being at the top should affect it. That shouldn't do anything. Because I don't. It worked when I did it like in my old series, and it should work in here. I don't have the old series because I deleted it all, and I also deleted it off my computer. Why does it not work? What is wrong with you? Change animation sequence to cam stage. You should work. Maybe I have to do start. Is that what I have to do? Is that why it's not working? I swear to God, if that's literally the only reason why it wasn't working, I'm going to punch something. It's most likely going to be myself. This episode's just been masses of waiting and me trying to troubleshoot one thing. You still don't work. What is wrong with you? I don't understand. I don't quite understand why that doesn't work. If some of you guys happen to know why that doesn't work, please let me know, but I don't know if you do, because this is supposed to be a tutorial of me teaching you how to do stuff, and I've managed to break something myself. So I'm probably going to try and figure it out at some point before next week when I record again, but at the moment it won't work. So I will figure out what is wrong with that, and I shall see you guys in the next episode. Also, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to leave a comment below of what you thought on the video, and also don't forget to check out any other videos on my channel, as it will be a really big help to me, as I really enjoy making those other videos. And a lot more than this one, mainly because I get to be a lot more hyper, whereas this one I'm supposed to be a lot more serious, because you guys are supposed to be learning stuff and not watching me fail miserably at things. I really don't know why that didn't work, but whatever happens, happens. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully with a bug fix on this thing right here. So anyway guys, goodbye.